Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on signing out of all devices that are logged in to your Facebook account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you log into Facebook on someone else's device and don't log out again, they may have access to your Facebook account until you log out of all devices. I will be showing you how to do this on the Facebook app, but the settings will be similar on desktop too. Open up the Facebook app and tap on the three lines button at the bottom right of the homepage. If you are on Android, then the three lines button will be at the top right of the page. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Under the Security heading, you want to tap on Security and Login. To the right of where you're logged in, tap on See All. Here is a list of all the places that you are logged in to Facebook. Tap on Log Out of all sessions. Then tap Log Out. This will log you out of Facebook on every device apart from the one you are currently using. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.